finding square roots of an algebraic expression by method number 3. So here we are going to find out the square root of an algebraic expression by method number 3 in an advanced level. So here the method in method number 3 we are finding the square root of the algebraic expression which is not a monomial. The method is nothing but the method of undetermined coefficients. So here the method is of method number 3 is of method of undetermined coefficients. So here let us perform one illustration in order to find out the square root of an algebraic expression. So here in this method we will compare the coefficients of the terms of a perfect square with the given algebraic expression. Then after finding the coefficients we will finding the square root of the given algebraic expression. So here the example is of find the square root of algebraic expression that is x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 10x square minus 12x plus 9. Then now the solution starts. Say in our solution, as per the problem, the given algebraic expression is of 4th degree. So here the variable in this particular expression is of x, then the highest degree is of 4. So it is of 4th degree expression. As per the problem, the given expression is of x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 10x square minus 12x plus 9. So whereas this is the given algebraic expression. So here as per the problem, so this is the given expression but it is of 4th degree. So variable is of x, its degree is of 4. So here since the given expression or given algebraic expression is of 4th degree, hence its square root. So here we have to find out the square root. So his square root will be a perfect square. Square root will be a perfect square, and that too it is an quadratic expression. Square root will be a quadratic expression. So hence the square root of the given expression is a quadratic expression. So here we have to assume this quadratic expression which is nothing but the square root. So here let the square root or let the quadratic expression be. Let the quadratic expression which is nothing but the square root of the given b x square plus unknown coefficient, that is Lx, so x coefficient is of L, so plus unknown constant, that is m. So we are supposed, so your quadratic expression as x square plus Lx plus m, then automatically we have the given expression is of x power 4 minus 4x cubed plus 10x square minus 12x plus 9 is the given expression. It is of 4th degree. So here then that will be equal to, since this is the square root, then its square, that is x square plus Lx plus m whole square is equals to the given. So this is the square root. So here bracket is the square root of this given. So we have assumed the assume the x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 10x square minus 12x plus 9. Since it is of 4th degree, then now quadratic expression with the highest degree as 2, second degree quadratic expression will be the square root, then its square will be equal to the given one. Then now by elaborating, but it is similar to, so here we are going to assume x square as a and Lx as b and m as c. So here it is in the form of now, so here a plus b plus c whole square, but we know that the special product is of a plus b plus c whole square. Its elaboration will be of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Based upon this special product, I am going to, based upon this special product, I am going to expand this right side of the given expression, that is a plus b plus c whole square form, that is x square plus Lx plus m whole square. Then now, so here at a as x square and b as Lx and c as m, then replacing all these values, that is capital A, capital B, capital C. So now a by means of x square plus b by means of Lx plus c by means of m whole square, its expansion will be of a square, a is of x square but whole to the power of 2 again, plus b is of Lx whole to the power of 2 plus c is of just m whole to the power of 2 plus 2 into a value x square into b value Lx plus 2 into b value is of Lx into c value is of m plus 2ca, 2 into c value is of m into a is of x square. That implies x to the power of, it is in the form of a power m whole power n type, a power m into n, that is 2 into 2 is of 4 plus square is applicable for both because it is in the form of ab whole power m, a to the power of m, b to the power of m, that is l square and x square, l square x square plus m square plus 2 l x square into x power 1. So here the bases are same, x and x. The exponents are, one is of 2 and the other is of 1. We have to add up the exponents because according to product law 2 plus 1 is of 3, that is x cube plus 2 lmx, 2 lmx plus 2mx square. Now I am going to group the like terms. So here x power 4, there is of only 4th degree of only one term. So I wrote x to the power 4 as it is. Then now cube term. So cube terms are of only one here, that is 2l x cube. So plus 2l x cube. Then now square terms, one is of here, that is plus l square x square. Then now another square is of here, 2m x square plus 2m x square. Then x term is here, that is 2 lmx, 2 lmx plus constant, that is m square plus m square. So here x square and x square, these two are of like terms, none other. So here by further simplification we will be getting, so that implies x power 4 plus 2l x cube. Then now here I am going to take as here x square as common. When x square, so here plus, when x square is taken as common, is taken out, then only L square is left over within the bracket, plus when x square is taken out as common, just 2m, plus 2m is left over, plus x term is only 1, so we can write as lmx plus m square. So in this manner we got x square plus lx plus m whole square equals to, so here x square plus lx plus m whole square is equals to x power 4 plus 2l x cube, x power 4 plus 2l x cube plus L square plus 2m x square. So here L square plus 2m x square plus 2lm x plus m square, 2lm x plus m square, 2lm x plus m square. Now, but actually as per the problem, so this x square plus lx plus m whole square is nothing but equal to the given quadratic expression. So the given quadratic expression is off. So here therefore instead of x square plus lx plus m whole square, we can write it as x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 10x square minus 12x plus 9 is equals to. So here instead of x square plus lx plus m whole square, I wrote the given expression. So then now equals to x power 4 plus 2lx cube plus L square plus 2m x square plus 2lm x plus m square. Then now